If you've been using Squarespace for a while, you'll be familiar with the sidebar on your home dashboard. And you'll also probably have seen that it's quite bloated. Like there's a lot of new things that get added in quite often as Squarespace sort of expands their service suite. And if you don't partake in those services, it can be quite cumbersome. And I find that a lot of clients of mine don't like, having these in play. They don't like to have the distraction of that on their site. So one thing you can do is you can remove these and you can add them back anytime you want. But for the sake of keeping your dashboard nice and minimal, nice and tidy, we can make changes here. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so you can see our dashboard here. It's pretty bloated. I won't lie. So all we have to do is click on this icon down here to customize the sidebar. And you can actually move things about. So if I click on this, I can move things about here. These are your sort of customizable items. These down here, you can't get rid of. I'm not sure why they don't let us untoggle email campaigns and finance, but I don't know, maybe that's a topic for another video, who knows. But anyway, you can move these about in order of importance if you use, one more than the others, or what you can do is you can simply untoggle them like this, and it will show you here. You can learn a bit more about them by clicking on them, but it will show you that they're hidden with this logo or this icon here. So once you're happy, you don't even have to click save. You just click X and look at that beautiful minimal dashboard. Now, if for whatever reason, you want to start taking donations, well, then you can click that. You can add it back in, and there it is. If, you want to go all in on the Squarespace ecosystem, you can toggle them back up. And now instead of being cumbersome, it becomes useful. So you've got lots of options, lots of customizability, and lots of ways to keep your dashboard exactly how you want it. And hopefully that was useful. If it was, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.